Welcome! Let's explore how AI is revolutionizing video production. It can help edit footage, add effects, and manage your entire shoot. These tools are intuitive and save you tons of time. The future of video is here.
This course teaches AI filmmaking techniques and is not affiliated with any specific AI company.
Okay, let's begin. Did you know you can create movies without cameras or actors? Artificial intelligence allows anyone to generate characters, scenes, and entire stories. Tools like Whisk generate visuals, and Grok helps write scripts. In this course, you'll learn how to create your own AI movies and short dramas. Let's begin your journey into AI filmmaking. AI can generate a complete script for your video. It creates a visual storyboard, like this. And it can even produce a full video clip. AI is revolutionizing video production. It can automate filming and smart editing. This lets you focus on creativity. The future is here. Now let's create the characters for your AI movie. With AI tools, you can generate characters using simple descriptions. Just describe your character, and the AI creates it instantly. You can create heroes, villains, and entire casts for your stories. In the next lesson, we'll place these characters inside AI-generated scenes. Now that you have characters, the next step is creating the world they live in. In filmmaking, every story needs a location where the action takes place. Your scene could be a city, a futuristic world, or even an environment helps create the mood and atmosphere of your story. In the next lesson, we'll bring characters and scenes together to start building your film. Now that you have characters and environments, it's time to combine them into movie scenes. A movie scene is created when a character interacts with their environment. Scenes should show action, emotion, or an important moment in the story.
Each scene becomes a building block for your...
In the next lesson, we'll turn these scenes into a short AI drama. Now that you have characters and scenes, it's time to create your first AI short drama. A short drama tells a quick story using only a few powerful scenes. Start by introducing your main character and their situation. Next, show a problem or dramatic moment in the story. In our final scene, she faces her challenge with determination.
I won't back down now!
She confronts the obstacle head-on.
Yes! A memorable victory.
Now that you've created your AI short drama, it's time to share it with the world. Before publishing, make sure your scenes are arranged in the correct order. Your finished video can now be shared online for others to watch. When people watch your film, your story can reach viewers all around the world. In the final lesson, we'll explore how creators turn their films into opportunities. You've now learned how to create AI films from characters, scenes, and storytelling. Sharing your films online allows people to discover your creativity. As more people watch your stories, you can begin building an audience. Many creators use AI filmmaking to build portfolios, start projects, and grow their creative careers. Now that you understand the basics of AI filmmaking, you can start creating real AI videos. You can use AI video tools such as Grok AI, Kling AI, and Veo to generate AI video scenes. With the right tools and your creativity, you can turn ideas into full AI movies. You can write your own scripts or get help from AI assistants like ChatGPT or Grok AI. With the right tools and your creativity, you can turn ideas into full AI movies. The future of filmmaking is evolving, and your creativity is part of that future. Now it's your turn. Start creating your own AI films and tell your story.